Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Every time someone goes on the sidewalk, this aggressive magpie chases after them.
Hey! 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 He got me!
This child is only 10 years old and is already 6'2". At that kind of size, playing sports can be pretty easy. This person likes to use colored rice to make some amazing works of art. This mom lost her child somewhere in a forest in Canada.
My son, who has special needs, who's 6 years old, is missing. He's been missing for about 45 minutes. We've been looking for him.
It was nighttime and it was hard to see anything, but the helicopter pilot used an infrared camera to spot the child.
What I'm doing is firing a laser right now. Just wonder if somebody could use their goggles and see if you can see that laser.
We're bringing him out. He appears to be in good condition, but I want to get him checked. Thank you, helicopter.
This guy was playing around when he lost his basketball on accident. This guy was trying to fix an ice machine that got jammed. Here's a little tiny wrinkly dog. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon.